Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sananas and I have graduated in the year 2023 from Mamata Dental College, Khammam. So participating in the fellowship program in clinical and restorative dentistry at AIAD was really a transformative experience. The hands-on session allowed me to apply theoretical knowledge to the wide-ranging dental ailments we oversee each day here. The supportive environment and the knowledgeable mentors enriched my understanding of the field. This fellowship and the workshops conducted over here not only sharpened my skills but also provided valuable insights into the industry. One also gets to meet fellow dentists from across India who come here to hone their skills. Grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow through this fellowship. I would really recommend my fellow dentists who are in of such instructive programs to contemplate over AIAD. Thank you.